Meaning of farm.
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 Farm. The term farm generally refers to a piece of land for agricultural purposes, where crops are raised and animals are kept for food or other products. Farms are typically run as businesses, with the goal of producing food, fuel, or fiber for sale. They can range in size from small family-run operations to large commercial entities with thousands of acres. The specific activities on a farm may vary depending on the type of agriculture practiced, but all farms share the common purpose of providing sustenance for humans or animals.